Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. We are now broadcasting one more problem from lesson 14, module 1, the Eureka program that we're working in our schools. So here's a division. This time we're just gonna show the problem, which is a division, and the algorithm, and I'm gonna attempt to help my students a little more with how to solve division. So the first thing you say, we are going to divide this whole number 1 and 324 thousandths by 2. And I always ask my students to start with the first number. So the first number is 1. So you say, how many groups of 2's can you make out of 1? And the answer is 0, because there's not enough. Okay? So now the next step is, then you connect these two together and you make it 1300. And now you say, how many groups of 2's can you make out of 13? And the answer is 6. Then you say 6 times 2 equals 12. And we have a remainder of 1. Correct? Now, we have another place value, which is you call this the hundredth. We'll lower that to next to the 1/10 that it was left. So now we have 1200. Now here's what I ask my students to visualize. There is a number 12. I'm just gonna bring it out here, and that number 12 is divided by 2. So all I did is bring this out here. This is here. So you say, how many groups of 2's can you make out of 12? And the answer is 6. 6 times 2 equals 12, and the remainder is 0. So now let's do that in here. So you say, how many groups of 2's can you make out of 12? And the answer is 6, just like we said it over here. Oh, and let me not forget that we need to align the decimal number up here on the quotient. Remember, this is called the quotient. Okay? Okay, now 6 times 2 equals 12. So now we have a remainder of 0. Okay, my friends. Now we have one more number to divide. We have not divided the number 4. So we're going to lower the thousandths right here next to the 0/100. And now we have a 4 left. Now, once again, this can be made into a small division like this. 4 divided by 2. So, how many groups of 2's can you make out of 4? And the answer is 2. 2 times 2 equals 4, and the remainder is 0. Now, let's transfer all this to this area. How many groups of 2's can you make out of 4? Well, we already solved it. The quotient is 2. 2 times 2 equals 4, and you have a remainder of 0. Okay, my friends, this is how you do a division problem using the algorithm. Okay, please review it again. This is challenging for many of my 5th graders. I hope it is not for you, and if it is, just view it again just about 1,000 times so your brain can process it and memorize it in perfection. My friends, signing out from Gravity 2, Bruce Wayne.